Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to take a look about AI in security, all sAInt, another day in AOC 2025. So let's begin by starting the attack box and starting the mission. For this lab to complete, you just need to start the attack box and you just need to start the virtual mission today. And I just started the attack box, and here I'm just performing activities in the attack box. I'm just expanding, it says, and my target mission is also getting started, and I do have IP of my target mission and the attacker mission. So here we have the IP here. So this is our attack box mission. It's getting loaded, so let it load. In the meantime, I have successfully started the attack box and target mission. Let's check it out. And that's it. Now the boom of AI assistance. Yes, artificial intelligence, that buzzword that seems here to stay. Who would have thought? Today's room will highlight some ways AI is utilized in cybersecurity, along with the important consideration to bear in mind when deploying AI for such tasks. So, yeah, let's begin without reading too much. Some people hate reading a lot of things. Instead, they need to understand the concepts instead of reading all of these. So, I don't know, this is taking time. So, I'm just going to click here in the split screen option, split view option. Yeah, the split view works better than that. So let me use the split view. So yeah, this is about AI and cybersecurity and some of the features in AI. Oh my God, this isn't bug in TryHackMe, I think. Every time this will come most of the time. Let me try to refresh and solve this error. So I just want to know that if you are getting these kinds of issues, like if you are performing some activities in TryHackMe and you are getting a pop-up message like this to log into TryHackMe. So if you are also getting this, then let me know in the comments, guys. So yeah, it's loading. So nowadays TryHackMe is like this sometimes. It's really bad. Let me solve that and I will join you there. Yeah, I just sorted it out and now I just logged in. So yeah, this is about AI, which is artificial intelligence. And guys, this is talking about the features of AI and defensive security, offensive security in AI agents and softwares, consideration of AI in cybersecurity, and some practical. If you ready for an exciting exercise, you will be interacting with Van Sol IT, who will guide you through three showcases of how AI can be used in cybersecurity. So one of them is red. The next one is blue, and the another one is software. Red, generate and use an exploit script, and blue, analyze web logs of an attack that has occurred, and software, analyze source code for vulnerabilities. When you're ready, you can access OneSol IT at this particular URL. So I'm just using the attack box and opening a browser in the attack box. Here I just opened the Firefox browser and browse the IP that is there. So after that, I was able to see this page. So here you can see, welcome to the AI showcase. This interactive lab will showcase how AI can be used across three areas of cybersecurity. Like we have red team, blue team, and software security. So these are the three of them. And when you're ready, press the blue complete stage, but stage to continue. So here you can see complete stage to continue. So now I'm just completed to the second one. Here I'm just reading about red. Welcome to the red team showcase. I can help you generate Python scripts for the vulnerabilities within the web application of today's advent of cyber web application. Shall we begin? So I'm just wondering, yes. So AI is thinking, one soul, IT is thinking. So here, complete AI showcase by progressing through all of the stages. What is the flag presented to you? So there is a hint, complete. Click the complete stage button on the left in the one soul IT web app when you are ready to proceed to the next stage. The flag will be presented once all stages have been completed. So after that, you do have execute the exploit provided by the red team agent against the vulnerable web application hosted at this particular IP. What flag is provided in the script? So remember, you will need to update the IP to. So we just need to find two flags. So yeah, this AI is thinking. It's taking a lot of time to think. You can see this usage tips. Chatbot responses may appear blank for a minute or two while it generates the reply. You will start to see one Soul's IT responses in real time. If the chatbot gets confused at any time, press the restart chat button at the top right of the page. As you progress to the showcase stage will unlock, you can go back to any stage that you have unlocked by clicking on the stage name on the top left. So the AI is thinking this has been a lot of time. Still, I could not find that. So let me refresh. Oops, I'm just restarting this. I'm just wondering. Yes, shall we begin? Yes. So still, this Vansol IT AI is thinking. So basically, as of now, I understand that this when I enter shall we begin, when I enter as begin now, nothing is happening basically. So I just moved on and I just view the blue team logs. When you enter logs, then it will analyze. That's basically blue team will do, and it will check for software vulnerabilities. So these are some of the AI assistants that will help us to solve today's challenges. Okay, so I just clicked complete all of them, and I'm just clicking the click to complete showcase, and I'm now in the current stage 4, and I'm just refreshing the status, and stage 1 is complete, 2 is complete, we are in the 4 stage 4. Please interact with the AI in the following stages. So red team software, so red team, blue team software. So this vulnerability exists, so this AI is working, so let it work. Like the vulnerability exists, it's saying about SQL injection, exploit the username field. When an attacker manipulates the username string, the SQL code can be used to execute. Yeah, this is saying that how to save a file, nanoscript.py to create a Python script, paste the file. So please note the script file is already prepared and will be shown automatically when appropriate. So how to save a file? Like this AI assistant will talking me about SQLi, and it is asking me to open terminal or text editor to save the script.py and something like that. I'm just clicking complete. Click any unlocked stage to revisit. So so it's asking me to please interact with the AI in the following stages, red team. So I'm just interacting with the red team. Now I'm just entering yes. And now we can see AI is thinking. Finally, it worked, guys. It worked. And I was able to get the Python code. Here it is. So I just get the code. I'm just copying that. After a lot of time I was able to get my code. Now what basically I think if you have not getting the code, then you can just go and visit all those unlock all those things, and once you reach the software, then after that you can just go to the red team to get the code. Okay, so we just need to save this as script.py. So here I'm just using the nano text editor, nano script dot py, and I'm just pasting the code. I'm just saving this, and now we can use python 3 script.py to run the script. So we can just view the script from the right side here. Python 3 script.py. Here we are getting error. Maybe I don't know how we can use this script. I'm just getting help menu. Maybe Python isn't working. So let's try to use something called Python 2. Here it is, we are getting error. So let me use Python. Again, we are getting error. So So let's try to move to the software. I'm just pasting that here. I just paste all my code and click to complete. So you have successfully completed today's showcase have a flag. So we were able to get the flag, AI Mania. So in the introduction, you will be focused with the red team, blue team, and software. So in the red team, it will give you a Python code. Okay, here is our code. So basically, we just need to change this URL to our mission IP, I think, or our target vulnerable IP, not this one. So this is just a demo. And in the blue team, what we were able to do is like if you get something to analyze, then you can use this blue team to get it analyzed. And in the software, it will check for any vulnerabilities. You can just paste the code to check if it has vulnerable or not. Once if you do all those things, simple things, then you can just click to complete showcase and get the flag, and that's so easy, right? So yeah. So execute the exploit provided by Red Team agent against the vulnerable web application hosted at this. So we get the IP and host, what flag is provided in the script output after it. So what we can do is we just need to edit the code that we get. So I'm just using nano script.py to edit the code according to our mission IP. Here is it. So we just need to change this to the IP that is provided here. And it's done. So Control X, Y to save that. And remember, you will need to update the IP address placeholder in the script with the IP of the vulnerable mission. So that's done. So now we can try to execute using Python only, getting error. Try to execute using Python 3. Again, we were able to get something. Here you can see, welcome admin. You have successfully logged into the system. So here is our flag. So this is SQLi exploit. We just get the flag. Basically, we were able to solve these labs so easily. And the basic functionality here is red, blue, and software. We just need to interact with that, and you will get a code which will be useful for answering to the next question. Once you get, you can just update to upload to software, and you will get the flag, right? So you just need to go through all of these by clicking complete stage to continue. And once you are in this stage, then you can ask for wait and ask for something. Then it will provide you some kind of things like this, and it will say you please interact with this AI. So we just need to interact with the red team. It will ask us to interact with that particular AI. So we are moving to red team and entering yes, and it will provide you the code. You can just save this code into a text editor. So you can just open the blue team. I just use this, and you will pretty much get the flag once you are here and click complete to showcase. So after that, you just need to edit the IP to this IP in that particular script. Once you are done, then you can use Python 3 to run that, and you will be able to get the flag as demonstrated in this video. So this is how you will be able to get the flag, right? So yeah, that's it. That's all about today's video, guys. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.